Hello, today we are gonna cover the basics of bash scripts, how we can change mode and edit stuffs, and as a demo project we will create a project generator which we can use for every our next project. So let's dive into it. First of all, we need to create executable shell which we can use with touch command. Generate uh, let's create a file named generate generate project .sh. Every bash script ends up with sh extension. After it, we can use nano to edit and add stuff into generate project. First of all, we need to say our OS that this file is bash type. The way we use and tell them is by using this line. We tell that we want to run this file with bash script. Then what we want to do is to make a directory where the project will be located. We can use that with mkdir, with recursively making directories, and where we can make is up to user, which we will run uh, this script. So we can take this option as $1. After this, we want to change directory to it and initialize mkdir repository. So after this, we want to give a project a folder structure. Like I want to this project have helper, services, and modules. Let's do it. Mkdir src/helpers. Then I need services and one more thing, modules. Okay. Every com project have a gitignore folder file which uh, is used to exclude files that we don't want to push GitHub. Let's create that also. Touch git ignore, and we can add a special file type which is called node modules. We don't want to push them in GitHub. So the way we do it is using echo node modules into our git ignore file. After this, we can just notify our user that everything went okay. We just finished our project generator and now we need to save it. Just press Ctrl X and save it. Now we can check if it is executable or not. We can do it like so. As we see, there is no X here, which stands for executing. And if we try to execute file, we get an error, permission denied. To fix this, we just simply add mode for current user to execute file. X stands for executing and plus stands for adding. And then we type the file name. Let's check, and now we can see the X flag here. Let's execute the file, giving the project directory we want it to locate in projects/web, for example, and type enter. We can see that empty git repository initialized and we get a message that everything went okay. Let's check it manually. Going to projects, cd to source, cd to web first of all, then type ls. We get git ignore and src. In src folder we can find our helpers, modules and services. Next, what we want to do is to build a tool to automatically delete a project. Now, as we do the generate project, we will do the delete project script. First of all, we need to touch delete project.sh folder file, nano to it, and add the executable file to execute line /bin/bash okay. And after all, what we just want to recursively and by force delete the path that the user who runs the script gives us. So afterwards, we just simply echo that everything went okay, or project deleted successfully. Just as simply as these 2 lines of code. Just save it and do not forget about changing the mode. Change mode user +x and file name delete project. Now, just as we created our delete project, let's use it to delete project/web. We can type delete project and give the directory project/web. Project deleted successfully. As we see, projects ls and nothing is here. As you can see, these shell commands are very powerful and enables us to join multiple commands in once and create reusable scripts we can use and execute in different places. And today we prepared this all. So have a good day and goodbye.